Hi there, this is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping, and I thought I'd show you some of the things that I bought over the years, not because I was prepping, but because we have electrical outages in the winter and summer, and quite often here. So mostly lights, but I have this nice flashlight. I have one of these in every room, and what you do is you just plug it into the USB port, and it's really pretty nifty, quite bright. So one in every room. And then when the electric's out, I have this light, and it's solar. So I just leave it in my window all the time. And I just basically hold it like this and read when the electric is out. Now this one I got years ago. I think it was something from LL Bean. And you can crank it. And you can also use solar here, very bright. It's quite nice. Again, when the electric is out, which happens quite a bit, you can see I keep getting lights because it's out a lot. This is a new one that I bought this year that I can just sort of sit like this. But if you look at this side, it's solar. So again, another light. And then I bought this crank radio years ago, and it still works. I bought another little one years ago, and it doesn't work anymore. But this one has solar here, and you can crank it here as a flashlight, but it's also a radio, and it does come in pretty well. And the big thing that I bought, maybe 3-4 years ago, is this solar charger. And I stuck it out last summer in the sun. I plugged my cell phone in, and it charged it, no problem. It took a while, but it did charge it. Then I took this little flashlight, and I actually plugged it in using a cord, and it charged that. So this is a nice little thing. I was kind of surprised that it works so well. And then the other thing I bought is this little stove. And basically, what you're going to do is just put the sterno in here, and then light it up and put your pot right on top. And the nice thing about it is it just folds right up. So it just folds right up. I guess I'd have to look at it a little bit more to see how it folds. Here, let's see, this must go under, this goes under, goes like this, and then this one maybe like that. And it's a nice little stove with sterno. So those are just some of the things that I have bought over the years that have helped me when the electric's out. And, you know, I keep buying these all the time because I really like them. And they fold up. You have to blow it up to get it up like this, but it's squished right down. And I have one in my car. I didn't blow it up. I just leave it in the sun. And then if I need a flashlight at night, I just use that. So it is pretty nifty. So there you go. There's some of the things that I have bought through the years. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, and thanks for watching.